Good day everyone! Welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about getting the sum, difference, product, and the quotient of a function. Alright, let's talk about the sum, difference, product, and the quotient of functions. So if we're given two functions and we're going to perform the operation, let's just apply combining like terms, multiplying polynomials, and dividing polynomials or simplifying rational expression. Let's have some examples in getting the sum, difference, product, and quotient of two functions. Alright, okay, let's have our first example. If f of x is equal to 7x minus 4 and g of x is equal to negative 4x plus 19, let's find the sum of the two functions, f of x plus g of x. First, let's add the two functions, 7x minus 4, and we will add it to negative 4x plus 19. Let's apply the rules in combining like terms. We will add 7x and negative 4x and negative 4 and positive 19. So simplify by combining like terms. So the sum of our two functions will be equal to 3x plus 15. Alright, okay, let's have another example. So for example, if f of x is 6x plus 5 and g of x is equal to 9x minus 7, let's find f of x minus g of x. So let's subtract the two functions. So let's substitute first our f of x, 6x plus 5 minus 9x minus 7. Now let's apply the rules in subtracting polynomials. Let's first apply distributive property by distributing the negative symbol to our second group. Okay, so we will have 6x plus 5 minus 9x plus 7. Now let's apply combining like terms, 6x minus 9x, 5 plus 7. Simplifying that, the difference of the two functions, f of x and g of x, will be equal to negative 3x plus 12. Okay, let's have another example. So for example, if f of x is equal to 3x minus 4 and g of x is equal to x plus 2, let's find the product of our f of x and g of x. So first, let's substitute our f of x and g of x. So 3x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 2. Now, in multiplying polynomials, we can apply the FOIL method. So let's apply the FOIL method. We will have 3x squared plus 6x minus 4x minus 8. Then after that, let's try to combine like terms. So we can combine 6x and negative 4x. So let's simplify that. The product of our f of x and g of x will be equal to 3x squared plus 2x minus 8. Alright, okay, let's have our last example for today. So if f of x is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 12 and g of x is equal to x minus 4, let's find the quotient of f of x and g of x. So first step is for us to substitute the values of f of x and g of x. So let's divide them. We have x squared minus 7x plus 12 divided by the quantity x minus 4. Okay, let's write it in the form of a rational expression. We will have x squared minus 7x plus 12 all over x minus 4. And let's apply simplifying rational expressions. Let's factor our numerator. And the factor of our numerator will be x minus 4 and x minus 3. Then, let's apply cancellation. We can cancel x minus 4. Therefore, the quotient of our f of x and g of x will be equal to x minus 3. Alright, now that you already know how to perform operations in functions, it is your turn to try it. Please click the link in our description box below in order for you to test your skills. That's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace!